People often deem creativity as being artistic. However, true creativity lies in the ability to act upon a thought or an observation.
Catherine has enough writing experience, and also she has conducted several writing courses to take this program forward. Up to now, I'm not disappointed.
Catherine hopes that her program will dispel the misconception that writing is a creative skill that cannot be taught. Given the right guidance and motivation, all children can be effective writers.
For me, it also helped me to plan my compo so that it can be done easier without any stops and bits and pieces fluttering all around the pieces of foolscap paper.
The line between creativity and self-indulgence is a fine one.
Non-conforming, unique, off the beaten track.
What is creativity? It encompasses a great field of human endeavors and human abilities.
Ideas come very late at night for me. I usually just get up and quickly scribble it onto my notepad. Ideas can come in many forms, So I usually have a notebook and a pencil with me in my bag. And that's what I tell my kids to do, basically.
Inspiration can only take one so far. While imagination is often the start to great things, success, as they say, is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration.